Hello and welcome to my Vlogmas week 1 video. In this video I have short clips of me decorating the tree and hanging up a bow at my door, and after that I am working on different Santa cat sticker designs. These are my Santa cats single stickers. They are 6 different cats with Santa hats on, and they're all easy peel stickers. So the silhouette cuts twice, once a kiss cut and then a full cut. These are my Santa cat sticker sheets that are being printed right now. They feature the exact same cats with Santa hats on as the single stickers, but these are obviously much smaller, and they are on recycled sticker paper, and I really like the look of that. Next up, I decided to make gift tags with these same designs because I thought it would look really cute, and I'm honestly happy with how it turned out. The gift tag sticker has the to and from on there, and on one gift tag sticker sheet, each cat design is on there twice. last but not least, I created a washi tape sheet. I created 2 washi tape strips that have all 6 cats, and then there is 1 washi tape strip for each cat alone. Onto packing an order. This order was for my 5x7 lily pad pond print, and as always I'm adding some freebie oopsie stickers and my business card. Put all of this into the glassine bag, and I use one of my oopsie washi tapes to close it up. This is oopsie because I've by accident printed it on a non-washi tape sticker paper. And then I add a little round sticker that says that the glassine bag is recyclable, biodegradable, and compostable. Then I add a little thank you note with one of my small oopsie flower stickers. Then all of that goes into a rigid mailer to protect the print from bending. And then I'm adding a little Happy Mail postage sticker as a finishing touch. Thank you so much for watching this Vlogmas video. I really hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.